Hello, and welcome to another episode of On the Road Again. Today, we're at Bear Branch Horse Campground in Eddyville, Illinois. It's a beautiful place, perfect for a weekend getaway. We're excited to show you around and share our experience with you.
Alright, first things first. We need to find a good, flat surface for our tent. It looks like there's a perfect spot over there. Let's clear this area of any rocks and sticks so we have a smooth surface to set up on. This is crucial for a comfortable night's sleep.
Now it's time to set up the tent. This tent is really easy to pitch, and it's perfect for our camping trips. We actually have a detailed video on how to set up this tent. You can click the link in the top right-hand corner to watch that video.
And if you're interested in getting one of these tents for yourself, we've also put a link in the description below where you can purchase it.
Next, we need to bring in all our gear. We've got our sleeping bags, coolers, chairs, and a few other essentials to make our stay comfortable. Time to make some delicious Chinese barbecue. We love bringing a taste of home with us on our camping trips.
We've got some marinated beef and chicken along with a few veggies. The smell is amazing already.
There's nothing like cooking in the great outdoors. Everything just tastes better when you're surrounded by nature.
We realize we forgot to start the campfire. It's pretty dark out here. Thankfully, my wife is here to help with her phone's flashlight. She's always prepared.
Getting a campfire going in the dark is a bit tricky, but the fire is finally going. Now we can sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening.
There's something magical about sitting around a campfire, listening to the crackling wood, and gazing at the stars. It's the perfect end to an exhausting day.
Good morning. There's nothing like a warm meal to kickstart an adventurous day.
She's a great cook, even in the great outdoors. Now it's time to head to the barn and select our horses for the day. This is always an exciting part of the adventure.
I'm a bit nervous, but also really excited to ride for only the second time in my life.
We're on the trails now, and the scenery is just breathtaking. These trees create such a peaceful atmosphere.
Riding through this forest is so calming. It's like we're in a different world.
Here we are, crossing our first creek. The sound of the water is so refreshing.
I was a bit nervous at first, but it's actually a lot of fun. While crossing this creek, my horse decided it wanted to stomp and play in the water.
Looks like your horse is having as much fun as we are. Now we're walking by some impressive rocky cliffs. The landscape here is truly unique.
It's amazing to see the variety of terrain we get to explore on these trails. Every turn offers something new. I'm getting the hang of this. It's a little challenging, but the views make it all worth it.
You're doing great. It's all about getting comfortable and enjoying the ride. Look at her now, she's riding like a pro. It's amazing to see how much more comfortable she is by the end of the day.
I feel so much more confident now. This has been such a fantastic experience.
As we're heading back to Bear Branch Horse Campground, we encountered something unexpected. A camel. It's amazing to see such an exotic animal here.
I never thought I'd see a camel while horseback riding. What a surprise.
And if that wasn't enough, there's also a zebra here. The variety of animals makes this place even more special.
Seeing a zebra up close is incredible. This campground really has it all. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.